Welcome back, everyone. Today we'll be going over a web exploitation problem called head dump, which introduces you to what heap dumps are and why it's crucial to restrict access to them. Let's start by locating the challenge in the 2025 section. Click on head dump and launch the instance. Once it's loaded, you should see a web page for a blog. After looking around at the site, I noticed we were given a list of API endpoints. Right at the bottom, there's one called heap dump. Let's try accessing that by adding it to the end of our URL. This should trigger the API to generate a file that contains everything currently stored in the heap, basically a snapshot of the application's memory. Let's now download the file and open it up to see what we're working with. I started by using the cat command to open and display the contents of the file, but as you can see, this is way too long to go through manually, so instead let's look for specific keywords. Again, a heap dump is a snapshot of the application's memory, specifically the heap where objects like variables and instances are stored. Because of that, it can easily contain sensitive information, which is why I used the grep command, which let us search for specific keywords and look for passwords and emails. But since flags on this website or challenge always starts with picoCTF, let's search for that. And there's the flag, that's perfect. Let's copy it and submit it back onto the web page. Hopefully it works, and perfect. Congratulations for completing another one. Although this was a short episode, I hope it gave you a clear understanding of why heap dumps should never be publicly accessible, and a general idea of what you can search for in them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see everyone in the next one. Bye!